Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my slightly heavy Grove Collaborative box, so let's get in here and see what I've got. While I open this, I will tell you, Grove Collaborative is a customizable auto shipment service, and what you get is all natural home, beauty, and personal care products. And you can have it come when you want. You can have it come monthly, which is what I do, or you can set it up so that it comes less frequently, or you can order it when you want to. There are so many options. I just really enjoy it because it's like bringing the store here, because I don't have to go out and remember what it is I went out. There was a little glitch with last month's box, and I accidentally got a hair product instead of a face product that I ordered. And I immediately got an email back from them after I let them know, and they said that they would ship me out a new one with this month's box. And I was like, fantastic. And then I got one in the mail like 4 days later. So they shipped me one immediately because they felt bad about it, and they've added another one to this box. In theory, we'll see. So I am just always so thrilled with their customer service. I received, and I won't go into this because you guys know, my daily shower cleanser and my Method foaming cleanser. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to watch any of my past videos. I order them nearly every month. This is about what I go through in a month, and I just love it coming here. I'm going to go ahead and take the rest of this out of the box so it will be easy to just go through. Right off the bat, I see the product that I ordered last month that I didn't receive, and it's the Brazilian Yellow Clay Activated Charcoal Sweet Orange Essential Oil Facial Wash Bar. Whew, a lot of words. This is what the packaging looks like, and I'm going to take it out for you to see because, guys, it is so cool looking. You know, sometimes you just want something different. I use all of those cosmetics and all those bougie brands, and how fun does this look? It's just basically a hand-poured wash that's made for faces. It smells so good. It smells like the orange essential oil that's in it. Oh, guys, I haven't tried it yet because I'm finishing up the one that I'm working with before I do, but oh, it smells so good. I love it. They have a whole new company within Grove called Roven, and they focus on beauty care, and I love it. It is natural, cruelty-free, vegan, proudly made in the USA, and veteran-owned. Next, I chose naturally derived ingredients, non-toxic formula, cookware and bakeware cleaner pods. Safely removes burnt-on food, eliminates grit and grime, no scrubbing necessary. And this is tangerine lemongrass. And I have to tell you, even through the bag, it smells heavenly. Formulated for stainless steel and enameled cookware and glass and aluminum bakeware. It is naturally derived ingredients, non-toxic formula, no chlorine, no phosphates. That is what it looks like. And what it is it's like little dishwasher tablets. And you get 15 of them. And what you do is if you burn something to a pan, you just drop one of these pods in that pan with water and let it soak. And they say that it just zippity-doo-dah wipes so clean after that. So I'm going to give that a try because so many pans these days, you know, you can't scrub with any of the good old scrubby things that you used to. It says, toss the pod into the bakeware, fill it with hot water, use a utensil to swish it around and dissolve the pod, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, wash as usual. It does say it is not intended for copper or Teflon. Next I got, it's called All Terrain Ditch the Itch Bar to Cleanse and Smooth. And that is what it looks like. And frankly, I just bought this thinking I will just put it in my linen closet and we will just have it. In the summer, when we spend a lot of time outside, there's always poison ivy or bug bites or whatever. And this is good for that. I thought I would read this to you because it's what caught my attention online, and it just says, the all-terrain Ditch the Itch Skin Relief Bar is great for general skin discomforts, rashes and itchiness, particularly from poison ivy, oak, or sumac. It is infused with tea tree oil, neem oil, and oat extract. So I just thought it would be good to have around. And last but not least, because I didn't do a huge order this month, I got, and this is an interesting thing to order, right? A EcoTool Total Perfecting Blender. I have never tried an EcoTool beauty blender. And I loved that this one is flat and then a shorter flat here. I have real beauty blenders and they are absolutely my favorite. They seem to have the best texture for me. I love them. But what I do have is I have one that I received, I think it may be a Bombay and Cedar, that has a flat edge on it. And after I put all of my powders on and I spritz with like my setting spray, just so that my face doesn't end up with that powdery look, I love taking the flat edge of the one that I'm using and kind of pressing. So if any droplets have wound up on my face, it just lifts them right off without worrying my makeup. And I thought this would be a great way to try an Echo Tool. So this month I received my Terra, this smells so good, it smells so orangey, Terra face soap that just, again, smells so good. The Echo Tool blending sponge, the Ditch the Itch bar, because I know it may be cool, but summer's a-coming. The Cookware and Barware cleaner pods, and then of course my daily shower and my shower foaming cleanser. That's simple. So it comes to me once a month. Every month I go in and I change out what I think I need. Sometimes I need Mrs. Meyer's and I get all the new seasons of the scent, which I imagine I will probably be doing in my February box. It may wait till March. I'm trying to burn through some of my extras right now, but I find as a rule the prices are better than what I can get out there, and I just love it. So if you have any interest, I have a link below. And when you order from them the first time, if you spend $20, you get 5 free products. Actually, those Mrs. Meyer's I was just talking about. You get the dish soap, a hand soap, and a counter cleaner, plus generally 2 other products that are in rotation. Like when I did it, I think I got some sponges, some walnut sponges, and the tray that I set my Mrs. Meyer's on. But you get all of that for free with your first order. And if you want to take a look, I've got my link below. Thanks so much for coming by, guys. I hope you have a great day. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon.